earn money on Instagram in 2019. You do not need to post anything. You don't need to have a big following. I'm going to show you a way how you can put money literally in your pocket using this one method. So watch this video all the way to the end. If you want to stop it, pause it, write things down, because I'm going to give you a bonus, and this bonus is going to help you put more money in your pocket. So if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. My name is Andre, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways how I can share my knowledge. So if you're brand new, drop Instagram in the comments so that way I know that you're brand new. For my regulars, happy to have you here. Welcome back to another great video. So again, this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money on Instagram. No followers, no following, and you don't even have to post any pictures or videos on your channel. So stay tuned. So this method that I'm going to show you, it's proven, tested, it's working. Not too many people are doing this. So I advise you to jump on this like right away, because that's how it always goes, right? Once something new comes out, everybody's going to jump on board, and then it's going to get saturated. But I wouldn't say this is going to be saturated. You just have to find different ways and put your own little spin on it. So if you got an Instagram account, you're all set. You don't need to post anything. You don't have to have any huge following. So I'm going to show you. What I'm going to share with you is affiliate marketing. Now, hang on for a second. I know some of you probably know what affiliate marketing is. Some of you don't, but let's just dive into it. The very first thing you want to do is find affiliate products that we're going to promote. Now, there's a few different ways. There's a few different networks you can go. ClickBank is one of them. You can sign up for ClickBank. It's totally free. You don't need to pay any money to sign up for this. And Max Bounty. With Max Bounty, you have to have just sign up for it. And once you get approved, you're in, you're well on your way. If you have no clue about affiliate marketing and you'd like to know, check out the first link in the description for more information. That is my #1 recommendation of learning affiliate marketing. So let's just dive into it. So what we're going to do on Instagram. First, you want to make sure you have an Instagram account. And what I'm doing right now, we're finding niche that are evergreen. Niche that, especially on Instagram, that people are willing to take out their credit card and ready to buy. So what I did, I look up dogs, cats. People love animals. Who doesn't? A lot of people love animals and people love dogs. So there's some huge pages on Instagram that have dogs, and I'm going to show you some of these pages, and I'm going to show you the rate that they're charging. It's not a lot of money that they're charging to do a shout out that you can put your affiliate link and you can make a lot of money. So you can make at least $100 a day using this method if you do it correctly and it's effective. The bonus I'm going to give you at the end, make sure you watch it to the end, right? So when you come in here, you want to scroll through. There's so many different products and dog things that you want to search for. So I always find the ones with a high gravity score. So you want to scroll through here, and if you look, I'm going to zoom in for a little bit. If you look right here, you will see the gravity score. So that means this week they sold 0.82 of this specific product. Cookbook for dogs, 6.63 sold so far. So I'm going to find one with a high gravity score, something that's going to sell. All right, look at this one. Brain Training for Dogs, Unique Dog Training Course. So this specific product is on ClickBank. So Gravity, this week they sold 72.92 of these. So these are going off the shelves. People are buying these things. So this is evergreen, is already being sold. So if you want to promote it, click on the promote tab, you grab your affiliate link, and then I'm going to show you what you're going to do with it. But you want to see what you're promoting. You always want to take a look. So you can click on here and it's going to take you right over here. So this is what the page will look like. Pretty cute, pretty neat. That's a nice little puppy right there. So develop your dog's hidden intelligence. So this is like a dog trainer. Like you're gonna get information of how to treat your dog, how well behaved, obedient, because everybody wants their dog to be well behaved. When you take them out to parks, you don't want them to like chase people or chase kids and all that type of stuff. So you want to make sure that your dogs are well trained. So this individual who created this course, she's great. Her name is Andreen, and she is like a professional dog trainer. Like for last 10 years, she's been putting all the work. I've read this before, but feel free to come on here and you can read about it. So once you scroll through here, it shows you, what is this for, right? How to stop my behavior. You look at this person trying to, the dog is running away and she try to catch the dog. So these are some of the things. Your dog doesn't listen to you, like stuff like this. If the people who wants to get their dog trained, most of these are common, very, very common. And that's why people will want to buy this stuff. So we already checked this out, ready to go. Now, and Max Bounty have a great one as well. Complete sale, you can make $30 per lead on this one. For the one that I just pulled up, you're going to get average sale 31. So 31 and 30, if you get 5 of that sale, 30, you're looking at like 150 easily. You make $150 per day if you get 5 sales. And I'm going to show you why you can get 5 sales or even more, right? Because you're going to find dog pages. So you're going to go on Instagram. The first thing you want to do, you want to type in dogs, of course. So once you type in dogs, you're going to find these pages. Now, these pages, look, you have 41,000 followers. These pages, if you click on them, you could see that there is a lot of engagement on these pages. Like, look at the engagement on here. I don't even know how they got so much engagement, but right here, they're looking, look at that, 663,000 people, right? If you click on it, watch the video, doggy just getting scratched, and people right here are just loving it. So this specific page, you want to find some dog pages. I already pulled some up already. I pull them up, and these are dog pages that you can go click on. You could search them, and you can find these pages. And then what you could do, you can shoot them a quick message, send them a DM. So I'm going to give you the bonus and tell you exactly what to write. You can even stop the video, screenshot it, write it down, whatever it is. And you could put your own twist on it. You could take it, right, and just run with it. So this, you can shoot them a DM. Feel free to message them. I went over this one. This page has 193,000 followers. Now, if you look at it, you see all these engagement. People are loving this. People are loving this. So every new follower makes a puppy feel loved. This is a good catch, right? They're looking at it because they want people to follow it. So you can shoot them a message, and I'm going to share with you exactly what you're going to do. This other page right here, over 200 followers for this page. 200 followers. You always want to check and see if it's like real, real engagement, real followers. Check the comment section. And this one right here, Dogs Unity, over 581,000. Now, this one put their business inquiry in their link. Most of them will say DM me for promo rates. There's so many different dog pages out there. So you just have to go and just sift through it. And don't tell me that, oh yeah, everybody's going to see this or they are going to do it. There's pages out there with like 10,000, 100,000, 50,000. Start searching, start writing things down. Well, for this one, if you click on where it says business inquiry, I'm going to show you these people are doing business. So all you have to do, you can put it in the story. This is story or in the feed. So in the story, for 12-hour duration, you're looking at $29. For the feed, 12 hours, 24 hours, 48, 48, no, not 48. So let's say right there, 12 hours. So if you want to put it in the news feed, like if you want them to post it on here, it's going to be $45. If you want it to be in the story, you're looking at $29. So this page is $29 is not bad. If you know you can get 10 sales out of 581,000 people see this post and you get 10 sales of any one of these products, you can make your money back if you're a business person. So all you got to do is just try it, test it out. It's business. Now, I'm not going to guarantee you that, hey, you're going to sign up for this and boom, you're going to make a ton of money. I would lie to you. But this right here works. And people are crushing it. People are using this method and killing it. These are people already doing the work. You don't need any followers. You don't need to do anything. If you got a little bit of money, throw some money in your business. Make it work. So the bonus that I'm going to share with you is this. This is the bonus demo request form that I wrote. You say, hey, I'm just reaching out to you to see what is your promo rate, price for a shout out. You can send them a DM. You can send them an email if they have the email. I want to promote whatever it is. Developers, your dogs, hidden to eliminate bad behavior. So I just basically copy this and I just put it on there. And once you do that, look forward to hearing from you. Now, with ClickBank, you could just send them directly to this page, not a problem. With Max Bounty, you probably want to at least create a landing page. You can go to Weebly. Weebly is free. I also have a paid landing page builder. If you're interested, check out the link down below. Not a problem. But for Max Bounty, yes, you want to make sure you create it. For ClickBank, I don't think they're going to have a problem with you just sending direct traffic to the link. But for Max Bounty, you got to make sure you fix it up a little bit. And you want to come over here and you want to just read all the information that they have there. But for ClickBank, you're ready to go. So once again, let me just show you the bonus. You can write it down, screenshot it, take notes. So this is how you can earn money on Instagram without following, without posting or anything. And you can make $100 or more per day doing this. You can even make more than $100 if you do it right and effective and you have someone that will work with you. You have some micro dog pages that you don't even have to pay them. Some of them, they were like, all right, they feel privileged. Some of them charge like $5-10. So if you don't want to go for those big giant pages, go for the little ones, $5-10 pages. And if you could spend $5 to make at least 1 or 2 sales a day, you're still in the green. You could still make $100. And you slowly build your way up until you can target those big pages where you can like rack out $45, like bam, and then they'll do it for you. So that's what you got to do. So that's how you can, earn money on Instagram without following or anything. So I hope this video helps. Like, share, comment, share this with people as well. And let me know in the comments if you're brand new, drop Instagram. My name is Andre. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation, you know where it is in the description. See you on the next video. Peace.